This is a snapshot of our Thailand vacation with some additional footage. If you haven't seen them before, we've included the links to the more detailed videos in the description.
Okay, für 150 € haben wir 5.023,50 Baht gekriegt. Was ist das, right?
That's 5,023
Ja.
and 50 cents.
So, jetzt sind wir hier am Phuket International Airport. Hat gefühlte 35 Grad und 100% Luftfeuchtigkeit. Ja, richtig praktisch. Nach der langen Fahrt wird man hier im Golfkart dann zum Zimmer gefahren. Und hoffentlich ist das nicht allzu weit weg, nicht, dass man da jeden Abend dann durch die ganze Anlage toben muss.
Can you believe this was the first animal that we saw in Thailand? It was so random that we just had to take the pic.
When in Thai, this is what you drink. A tiger and what? A chang.
Okay, dann probieren wir jetzt mal, wie das Local Bier schmeckt. Yay!
She got me. She got me.
We really enjoyed diving the Andaman Sea. We had a blast. Initially, I was bored out of my mind, but I really enjoyed it. It was well worth the trip.
That's my favorite. Cool. Done for today.
Yeah, we just came up halfway at the lookout point and we're drenched. Open it for you. Oh, you don't need any help? Oh yeah. I can show you an easier way. They know what they want.
Yes. Well, I had a great time rolling around in the mud and feeding these guys. I would do it again. I definitely recommend going to the Matriarch Project. It's a short ride from Patong Beach, and I would recommend doing the morning session though. It's not so hot in the morning. But these guys were sweet. We stumbled onto this festival as we were heading back to our hotel. What can I say? Patong Beach is full of surprises. This fire happened, I think, after midnight, and by 3 o'clock it was contained. We met this youngster and his mother one evening as we were heading back to our room. And ever since, they've been meeting us before and after breakfast.
You were in hiding. Mom is gone hunting, huh? She comes back, brings you something, you're gonna be all full. Nah, Ma, I'm good.
When he gets hungry, what do you? Huh?